Miss Emily here, and today we are going to learn how to play a great song for Halloween or for fall. It's called The Pumpkin Dance by Timothy Brown, and I've put the link to the song in the description, so if you want to purchase it yourself, you can do that, but I'm going to put little snippets of the song below here so you can see it when I play. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start this song in my student's not favorite position, which is the butterfly position. So our thumbs are going to share C, which means sometimes C is played with the right hand and sometimes it's played with the left hand. So you have to move your thumbs out of the way. Okay, so this is our chord, E flat and G. We're going to remember this one. And our melody is C. Go. So it's a left, right, and we're going to hold this this left-hand melody out. C, B, C, G, A flat. So we're going to put that 3 finger on the A flat. Then we've got some interesting chords here in the right hand. We're going to move the left thumb out of the way. C, D, and F sharp is the chord. Like that. So let's move the left hand out of the way and practice those chords in the right hand. So you've got boom, boom. And then what we're going to do, we're going to keep the D. We're going to move the 4th finger to the regular F, and we're going to play our G. Like that. So it goes from here to here. Like that. We're going to hold out the A flat. Right, so it's the A flat and G. Okay, so let's do that pattern again. So you got the A flat, G. Okay, so let's play that whole third line. Ready? Okay, so now we're going to play the next pattern. The next 2 measures are the same as the beginning. Here's where it gets just a little bit different. We're going to play the A flat with that F sharp chord. We're gonna do like a little radar wrist, or not a radar wrist, we're gonna do a twist, a bottle cap twist. So we're gonna twist that thumb and put it on the G. So our 3 fingers on the A flat with this F sharp chord. Okay, so we're just playing the F sharp chord once, and then we're gonna play that that D, F, and G. So you've got boom, on the C with the C minor chord. Okay, so let's play that whole second line together here. C, G, or B, C, G. There you go. So you've got some finger twisters there for sure. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So now your left hand has moved, right? We've moved from middle C position. We did the bottle cap twist, and now we have landed in C scale. So now this next part is a little bit easier, I think. You're going to play the C minor scale, C, D, E flat, F, and G. That's the C minor scale, all in steps. And then do a C minor chord with the right hand. And you're going to do that 2 times. There you go. Okay, so now the next measure, we're going to use another twist bottle. We're going to twist, find that A flat with our special F sharp chord. Okay, so we do that 4 times, doon, doon. Then twist that back where the thumb is on G, and then this D, F, and G chord. I wish there was a short, like a abbreviation for this chord. Okay, so then, all right, let's do that pattern again, where our twist bottle and our F sharp chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Okay, let's play that third line all together. Okay, so now measure 13. We're on the last line of the first page. Hey, that sounds a lot like measure 9, doesn't it? It is. It's exactly the same. Now the next measure, you're going to play the scale with the right hand. Okay, so let's try that. Left hand first. All right. Now this gives us an opportunity. Let me raise my camera up because we got to move our left hand. We're in C scale, so we got boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna move down an octave, okay? So I'm in this C scale, but while my right hand's playing, I gotta get this left hand down to this one, because I'm gonna play the C minor scale backwards. There you go. So starting in measure 13, there you go. So there is the whole first page. We are ready for the second page. Woo, have you made it this far? Way to go if you've made it this far. We're on measure 17. So now that we moved our hand down, we're gonna have to move this left hand back up for this next part, okay? We're also going to move this right hand. We're just gonna move it up. You know, it wants us where it's our 3 finger on G, so this is in the E scale, but our right hand's gonna be moving around a little bit. So the great thing is this next part is just a G in the left hand. Okay, so you got G, G, F sharp. Now, this next pattern, play the G again. You're gonna start on the F sharp to F. The next pattern, play your G again and start on the F. So there was a pattern there too, where in our right hand we started on the note that we ended on. That's where we're gonna start. That's where we're gonna start. And then now we are back to the beginning. This line is the same as the first line. Here we go. We'll do it a little faster. There you go. So now we are on the last line. We've twisted the bottle. Now we're in C scale. 2. So the directions of the music has us moving our left hand, crossing it over to play that G flat. So we're going to play the C minor scale. So what you can do instead of crossing over, you can just play, and so instead of the G, you're going to be playing the G flat with the pinky. So you could do, you could do that, but it wants us to cross over because that can be an awkward fingering. So we'll do it how it's written, but just know that those are just suggestions. You can play whatever's comfortable. Take this left hand and put it down on the lower C scale now, pinky on C. That was bad. Sorry, I did that bad. But do the C minor scale backwards. There you go. Okay, so now the very last note, you're going to take your right hand, move it up the octave. You're going to play a D, E flat, and G. And end with a chord. Ooh, I love that chord. It's a very Halloween-y chord. All right, so I'll put that back here. I'll put this back here. Beginning of the last line. Now, you might notice it does say to play this right-hand note. It says to play it on even lower C, but my camera won't reach that far, so I play it on this C. So that very last C, you can go even lower. So if I go even lower, there you go. So whatever size your piano, if you have a full keyboard, then yes, you can go to that lower C there, but my camera just didn't reach that far. Okay guys, you've made it all the way through, so now let's play this song all the way through from the beginning and slow this video down, have fun practicing, and yeah, especially if it's Halloween time, play it for Halloween. Okay, here you go. Nice job, guys. Let me know how you did in the comments, and just be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel. And in the description, you can grab that song from the website down there. It's Pumpkin Dance by Timothy Brown. It's great for late beginners or older beginners. Yeah, so have fun with that, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.